What's up guys, it's me Geek. I bought the Baseus Nimble Type-C portable cable. Let's do the unboxing. It is me Geek. Jump to the table.
I gave my hand for you to
Here
hold.
it is. Yes, here it is the Baseus Type-C portable cable is 3 amps. Let me show you from the back. This is from the back and this is from the front, and then let me open it. Okay, here we go. I mean, this seems quite good, isn't it? It's quite small. I mean, yeah, I can easily charge my phone. Can I recommend it? Definitely. Yes, I can recommend it. It was me, Gmail. Subscribe and bye.